Hey everyone, it's Natasha of NatashasKitchen.com. I'm going to show you how to make a fancy restaurant quality filet mignon at home. This is our go-to recipe for filet mignon. It's so juicy, flavorful, and unforgettably good. This is a simple one-pan meal that comes together in 30 minutes, so let's get started. It's smart to have everything prepped and ready to go when you need it. The prep is easy. Start by thickly slicing 1 pound of mushrooms. Set those aside for later, and finely dice 1 small onion. Place a large heavy-bottomed pan over medium-high heat and melt in 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the butter's done sizzling, add sliced mushrooms and cook for about 6 minutes or until they're softened and most of the mushroom liquid has evaporated. Now add your diced onions and stir for another 3 minutes or until the onions are softened. Meanwhile, strip 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme leaves from their stems like so and finely chop. Also, peel and finely chop 4 garlic cloves. Once the onions are softened, add minced garlic, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme. Cook, stirring constantly for 2 minutes or until the garlic is fragrant. Then turn off the heat and transfer the mushrooms to a large plate. Wipe the pan clean with a wet paper towel. You'll need 4 beef tenderloin steaks about 6 ounces each and ideally 1.5 inches thick. Season steaks all over with 1 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Place the same pan over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of oil. When the butter is hot and finished foaming, add the seasoned steaks and sear 3 to 5 minutes per side, turning once for medium rare. Keep in mind, thinner steaks will take less time and thicker steaks will take longer. Once the steaks are at your desired doneness, remove them from the pan and put them on the plate with the mushrooms. In the same pan, add 1/2 cup of red wine and boil it down about 3 minutes or until reduced by half, scraping the bottom to deglaze. Add 1.5 cups of beef broth and boil until 2/3 cups of liquid remains in the pan. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Now stir in 1/2 cup of cream and boil another 2 minutes or until the sauce is slightly thickened. You can season the sauce with more salt and pepper if desired, then place the steaks and the mushrooms back in the pan with any accumulated juices. Spoon some hot mushroom sauce over the steaks, and as soon as they're warmed through, take them off the heat. We've got the filet mignon, we've got the flowers, and we've got a date night in with the cameraman, who also happens to be my husband. Who's patiently waiting for this. Okay, aprons off, we're gonna do a taste test. All right, and I like my steak medium well, so I'll grab one of the slimmer ones. Woo-hoo. And lots of extra mushroom sauce. This is super good over mashed potatoes because it serves like a gravy. One of the best tasting gravies you'll ever try. Oh my goodness. Did you know filet mignon was this easy? I mean, this comes together quickly and it has so much amazing flavor. All right, finish my mountain of mushroom sauce. I just keep adding it on. Okay, here we go. Slice-a-roo. Getting close because you're gonna wanna see this juiciness. You see that? All right, oh, I can't bite into that big old piece. I need something a little more bite size. All right, here we go. Wow. I mean, that just melts in your mouth. And pan searing it that way seals in all the natural, delicious flavors. This is so juicy. Oh, and that creamy mushroom sauce acts like a gravy, so this is perfect over mashed potatoes. Then all you need is a side of asparagus, and you've got one memorable, romantic dinner. Make this for your next date night in, and it'll be a dinner to remember. If you guys like this video, give me a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you later. All right, cameraman, who also happens to be my husband. Time for your sample.
Wow. Cut me another one.
Wait, what? What did you say? I didn't hear you.
Cut me another one.
For the win. It's good, huh?
Oh, yeah.
You probably want more than samples. All right, we're gonna enjoy our dinner. We'll see you guys later. If you guys want more date night recipes, check out some of our favorites right over here and click below to subscribe. And when you do, click that little bell icon. That'll make sure you never miss one of our recipes. We'll see you later.